Ooh. I don't know if I can multitask and set this thing up with blurb. An extension.
Repressed alliance.
What's that? Sorry.
Have you ever used repressed alliance?
I use that all the time.
Have you?
Have you not noticed? I always run that.
No.
Wiretap and
I
repressed.
thought you always run. You run them both.
Because then I can block the gen off and they can't kick it.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I run it all the time. It's like my
I don't know why.
favorite combo.
So is wiretap just preventing kicking?
No, wiretap gives the aura around the gen. Repressed blocks the gen so the killer can't kick it. So it's basically like Dead Man's Switch, but for survivors.
Yeah.
That's really good.
For some reason, I thought wiretap logged on.
No.
As well.
No. Almost 15. Jeez, that's adorable. Just an old little baby. Just an old little baby. What's he doing? Extensions. Edit panels. Twitch alerts. Woo! We got PD.
Yep.
I like it. Corrupt.
Yeah, there is. Yeah, I mean, the top one is locked. Cool.
Whee! Baby, I'm running balance. I forgot. Alright, let's. Oh, I'm stealing this gen. It's Mindbreaker. Oh, it's a ghost face. No, it's not. That's a crow. I lie. I lie. It's just a crow. I thought that was his cape. I do feel like it's a stealthy though.
I feel like if you're in the central area, you would have had to run into him by this point.
I'm spooked. I'm spooked.
Unless he's AFK. Oh.
What?
Easy.
I like a Picasso. Haven't heard that in forever. I love it.
Awesome.
I like a Picasso. Bear.
It was the shape.
Why did he DC it? He must have been a genuine. That was an intense match. Must have been a genuine DC. I think he was AFK.
He had an eerie add-on, so I'm pretty sure he would have stuck around for at least a bit.
Yeah, it was Toomey. Damn, it was Mikey. Yeah. His internet said no. Either that or he didn't like RPD. One of the other. I'm not sure. Not sure. Oh, thanks, Christy. Sandalerts.com. See how this works. Log in with Twitch. I also love RPD. I really enjoy it, both as killer and survivor. I don't know. I just really enjoy it, I guess. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I just like it. No therapy needed. We're okay. We just like it. It's thebomb.com. Okay, yes, I understand. Oh, so you get an extension. Okay. Change profile. The sound alerts browser source is offline. Oh, okay. So I have to add it as a browser source. Is that right? I do. Okay. That's easy enough. Let's see if I can quickly do it. Browser source. I'll just call it sound alerts. Daddy issues, hence why I like Mikey so much. Honestly, I would smash Mikey. I would do it. Transform center on screen. Okay. Now what do I do? Play test alert. Oh my god. Already that scared me. Did you guys hear that? And was it loud? Oh my god. You didn't hear it? Okay, it must have just been literally a test. So you guys didn't hear it. That's good. So then I can add... As long as it does alerts. Do you know if it, like, my normal alerts will still work, Christy? If I have this? It'll, like, will it still be okay? Oh my god, that will scare me. It shouldn't mess. I just found one called Chris. That would scare the shit out of me. It's a separate thing entirely. Okay. Alright. Oh. Well, oh, it's Drac. I have my alerts through Streamlabs, so I just wasn't sure if it would, like, override it or anything. Alright, let's see how long. So it's the same time as wiretap. I see. Okay, at least it's the same. It's... Bestie, I saw that.
Now he's back in the bats.
Whee! My friend is doing a dumb. What dumb? Oh, it's me. What is the dumb? Oh! No, he gets me here. There's no way. No, he doesn't. Oh my god. He should have, technically. Have gotten me. I might just leave. I might just leave. Oh my god, he can hold that shit down. Oh my god. Pokemon chat, everybody. Good luck on your catches. I saw that pasta. Go, bestie, go. Run. What is my puppy doing? Hey, Jolie.
Oh my god, it wouldn't let me use the palette